Thank you for watching. Thank you for waiting. Say hello to my co-host, my studio audience. How you doing? Oh, I'll explain. Let's get started. It's time for Hot Topics. I'll take it. Yeah. So, it's really good to be back. Nice to be missed. Thank you so much for waiting. Thank you so much. I know society is so fickle these days. You love something one day and you forget about it the next and you replace it with something else. So thank you for not replacing us. Thank you for being here today. Donald Trump Jr., and who's 40, and his wife Vanessa, who's 40, they filed for divorce after being together for 12 years. Well, they have 5 children, and from what I understand, she's a real hands-on mom. I don't even know that she has a nanny. The kids are all between the ages of 3 and 10. So that's quite a household. And she comes from a very money family. And apparently they were introduced years ago by President Trump. And then they end up getting married. But I don't picture him having manly friends at 40. I picture him having bros. You know, yo, bro. You know, let's pound some back. Let's go, you know, what do they do? Hunting in Africa. I just picture him being a yo bro, an entitled koosh. You know? But, you know, for her, I have to say, if I got an anthrax scare at, you know, my residence where my 5 children are and my husband is nowhere around and Secret Service has to make sure it's not anthrax, that would be my last straw too. I didn't sign up for this. I signed up to be, you know, and there are women who sign up. You want to be a doting housewife. You want to, you know, do that role. You want to have, you know, your 5 kids. You come from money. You're married into money. You don't want a career. A career is a career when you have got 5 kids. That's your career sometimes. I don't blame her. The interesting thing will be following how he dates and what he dates, you know, now that he's totally single, because he's single. By the way, a shout out to Wendy's staff and crew and everybody, the interns and everything. Thank you all for, Thank you. Thank you for understanding the 3 weeks. Hopefully you got your closets cleaned and you did stuff right. And thank you for understanding behind the scenes. And just thank you for being my special people because you know, I do the show, but there are hundreds of people who are the show, and they don't really get the credit that they deserve. So thank you to everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You gotta have a nice shaped head to be bald, though. Miss Evelyn, you molded that Tamar head. Tamar's got a nice shaped head. She looks good bald. They say when women go through things, they change their looks drastically. They do a little something, whatever. So I don't know what Tamar's going through or if it's even going through something. Just, she looks nice bald. I'll tell you what, it's easier to put on your lace fronts. Because now all of a sudden you can use all the glue, you know? In my mind, she'll be back to full-blown wigs before July. But, and when you go bald, does that mean you have to wear makeup every day? Yeah. It's more than just blading your eyebrows. Like you have to, you know, like a full lash. I did not miss makeup at all when I was home. Like the best thing is that, you know, when you get your eyebrows bladed, you know, they put that, so they're almost like tattooed in. That's what I get done. And you wake up like this. Like you wake up and then you put a little lip liner on, a little thing on. And I wasn't, you know, I don't wear sweats around the house. You know, you put on a little glamour something or another and a little wig. So when you look at yourself, you don't feel like you're of the living dead. You feel alive, you know, you feel alive, you know? And I have to really credit my family, you know, my son, Kevin, and also my husband, Kevin, the love of my life. I could not have done this without you. I had been having bats swimming in my head since maybe July. Didn't tell anybody because I figured, well, it's menopause. It's a whole bunch of things going on. You know, I have more important things to do. I have to miss this doctor's appointment because there's more important things to do. I missed the one in August, more important things to do. What? I don't know, more important things to do. I missed the one in late September. By this particular point, the bats are really swimming, but more important things to do. As long as I get out there, stand on my mark, do the hot topics, and I can go right back home, more important things to do. We put so many things ahead of ourselves than our health, it's ridiculous. So I want to thank my husband because I heard him talking to Dr. Oz on the phone. He got Dr. Oz. Dr. Oz is all up in the Hunter's house, all involved. So Kevin, thank you for calling Dr. Oz, and thank you so much for ushering me through wellness. Kevin, thank you so much. And also, thank you to the boy as well. He was a good one as well. Anyway, that's it for Hot Topics, but we've got more great show for you. Up next, the one and only Dr. Oz is here, so grab a snack and come on back. Or you know, bring your all squad crew. So anyway, thank you for supporting our show. I'll see you next time and have a wonderful spring.
And erase those nasty pics. No, just me. Cheeses? No, just me. Cheeses? Good. Go ahead. Anybody want cheese with me?